90%嘅人都覺得咧，影片係殺晒任何社交媒體平台嘅，但係 Threads 並唔係咁樣諗。Threads 嘅老細 Adam Mosseri 最近喺佢嘅 Threads 裏邊咧就答俾個用戶，佢話咧 video 咧喺 Threads 度嘅表現咧，尤其是唔係太好嘅。原因好簡單 ，Threads 唔係一個擺 entertaining content 嘅地方 ，Threads 係希望多啲 conversation 同埋 perspective。雖然好籠統咁講，社交媒體就係要 engagement， 但係大家追求嘅 engagement 咧係完全唔同嘅。Threads 要嘅咧就係多啲留言，多啲對話。喺 Instagram 上面咧，你放段 reel 出嚟咧，都未必係非常之多人留言嘅。反而 carousel 或者 image post 咧，你得翻嚟嘅留言咧就相對比較多一啲添。呢個咧就連 Adam Mosseri 自己都咁講嘅。
Actually, video tends to be good for time spent and bad for everything else. Bad for revenue, bad for comments, bad for likes.
所以我哋必須要留意咧，就係雖然同係社交媒體，甚至同係一個 CEO， 佢追求嘅 objective 唔同啦 ，metrics 都會唔同，而至到最後咧，邊啲內容或者邊啲內容格式有優勢咧，都明顯會有差別嘅。